Hello everyone, today's video is very important for all AirPod users. With this guide you will keep your Apple AirPods firmware up to date. In short, you can learn how to install the latest software update on any of Apple AirPods and AirPods Pro. So how to solve channel's goals to make a useful tutorial for its subscribers and users who are not subscribed. If you are not yet, then please tap on the subscribe button and tap bell icon to get the latest tricks. First of all, your AirPods must be connected with your iPhone. Let's see, check out it's connected or not. Here open up Settings app, then go to General and tap About to view the AirPods firmware. But as you can see on the video screen, AirPods is not appear. That means my AirPods is not paired with my iPhone. Let's toggle on Bluetooth and put your AirPods into pairing mode so we can easily pair AirPods to the iPhone. You can get the guide to connecting AirPods to the iPhone guide you can see on the above icon appear right and top side. Now my AirPod is connected and let's check the firmware version of my AirPods Pro. Go to Settings app, then tap General and tap About. After that, scroll down the screen and tap on AirPods name. Here on my screen, you can see my AirPods firmware version. This is old, so I wanna upgrade software in this video. Watch this video till the end. There's no shortcut to upgrade the firmware of the Apple wireless AirPods and AirPods Pro, so let's check how to install with practically. Let's put both AirPods inside the charging case and then kindly connecting the AirPods to a power source with lighting to USB cable directly on the wall plug, and then pairing the AirPods to an iPhone or an iPad. Now to pair your AirPods, just press and hold on the back button of the AirPods charging case till flashing the white light. Your Apple iDevice should force the AirPods firmware update after a short period of time. I suggest you that you should put your AirPods in charging mode with the open lid near to the iPhone or iPad. This way worked in our case, that you can see on my video screen. After 15 minutes, check out your AirPods firmware you're on your iOS device. Now check for new firmware by open up Settings app, tap General and tap About. After this, scroll the screen and tap AirPods name. Wow, I got the latest AirPods firmware. Thanks, Apple. I hope this guide helped you. If you have any question, then feel free and ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and yep, don't miss to click on the subscribe button and tap bell icon to stay tuned with us. Goodbye.